Welcome everyone. I am Sathish from EEE department in TJS Engineering College. Today we are going to see about mechanism of lightning. Okay, let's move on to the topic. The mechanism of lightning is nothing but how does the lightning occurs. In the atmosphere, the positive as well as the negative ions in the air attach themselves to the smallest dust particles. The water drop present in the air also get charged because of polarization by induction. These charged particles and water drops charge the clouds. The positive ions are collected in upper region and the negative ions are collected in the lower region of the cloud because of their mass. When the charged cloud passes over the earth, it induces an opposite charge in the earth below. The potential difference in the cloud is not much greater than that at the earth's surface. The discharge originates in the cloud. The potential gradient of the cloud is not in uniform and it is of the order of 10 to 30 kV per centimeter in any part of the cloud. The initial discharge, which is also called a pilot discharge or a pilot leader, moves slowly towards it from the earth. Causes of lightning. Lightning is an electric current within a thundercloud way up in the sky. Many small bits of ice bump into each other as they move around in the air. All of those collisions create an electric charge. After a while, the whole cloud fills up the electric charges. The positive charge are protons from at the top of the cloud, and the negative charges are electrons from at the bottom of the cloud. Since opposite attract, that causes a positive charge to build up on the cloud beneath the cloud. The ground electrical charge concentrates around anything that sticks up, such as mountains, people, or single trees. The charge coming up from these points eventually connect with the charge reaching down from the cloud and zap lightning. Have you ever rubbed your feet across the carpet and then touched a metal door handle? If so, then you know that you can get shocked. Lightning works in the same way. Types of lightning. There are three types of lightning: cloud to ground lightning, cloud to air lightning, cloud to cloud lightning. How does lightning strike the ground? The answer is both. Cloud to ground lightning comes from the sky down, but the part you see comes from the ground up. A typical cloud to ground flash lowers a path of negative electricity towards the ground in a series of spurts. When these two paths meet, a return stroke zips back up to the sky. The above figure shows a negatively charged cloud including a positive charge on the earth below it. As the charge acquired by the cloud increases, the potential between cloud and the earth increases and therefore gradient in the air increases. When the potential gradient is sufficient to break down the surrounding air, the lightning stroke starts. The stroke mechanism is under. As soon as the air near the cloud breaks down, a streamer called leader streamer or pilot streamer starts from the cloud towards the earth and carries charge with it. As the leader streamer will continue its journey towards the earth as long as the cloud from which it originates feeds enough charge to it maintain gradient at the tip of leader streamer above the strength of air. If this gradient is not maintained, the leader streamer stops and the charge is dissipated without the formation of complete stroke. In other words, the leader streamer will not reach the earth. Types of lightning stroke. The lightning stroke affects the lines in two ways: direct stroke, electrostatic induction stroke. In the direct lightning stroke, the cloud attains a large amount of charge and induces an opposite charge on taller objects such as temple, church, or mosque. When the intensity of electrostatic field becomes sufficiently great to ionize the neighboring air, the air breakdown and discharge takes place between the cloud and the object. Such type of discharge take a long time to produce and it strikes the highest and the most sharply pointed building in the neighborhood. electrostatic induction stroke, the potential of cloud 3 is reduced due to the presence of the charged cloud 2. On the flashover from cloud 1 to cloud 2, both these clouds are discharged rapidly, and cloud 3 assumes a much potential and flashes to earth very rapidly. It is the most dangerous stroke because it ignores taller building and reaches directly to the ground. This stroke is called the inducer stroke. Lightning rod or lightning conductor is a metal rod mounted on a structure and intended to protect the structure from a lightning strike. If lightning hits the structure, it will preferentially strike the rod and be conducted to the ground through a wire instead of passing through the structure, where it could start a fire or cause electrocution. The lightning rods are also called finials, air terminals, or strike termination devices. A lightning protection system is designed to protect a structure from damage due to lightning strikes by intercepting such strikes and safely passing their extremely high current to ground. A lightning protection system includes a network of air terminals, bonding conductors, and ground electrodes designed to provide a low impedance path of ground for potential strikes. Thank you.